you want tons of protein and fiber, lots of different textures and flavors, then this is the meal for you. There's this super creamy whipped tofu, there is some roasted zucchini, there are these crispy lentils, and together you can pair them in many different ways. There are so many textures and so many flavors, even though there are just a few ingredients. So let's make this whipped tofu. I don't know what's the name of the recipe. Let's make this whipped tofu with crispy lentils and roasted zucchini. First, we're gonna roast the zucchini. So slice up the zucchini, add that to a baking dish. Add a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and toss really well to coat. You want to use a baking dish because then the zucchini will pick up nice color and it won't dry out. You can also use a baking sheet, but don't spread the zucchini pieces too far from each other so that they get roasted but they don't dry out. Then in the middle of the zucchini, we're gonna put a whole bulb of garlic. Put it in the middle of the baking dish, top with some parchment or foil. Bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the zucchini is tender to preference, start the broiler for a minute or two to brown the zucchini. That will give a nice color and roasted flavor to the zucchini. We'll also bake our lentils together with the zucchini. Take some canned lentils or cooked lentils, rinse them really well, and then add them to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Add a little bit of oil, salt, and garlic powder. Toss really well to coat. And then bake this along with the zucchini. Check them after 20 minutes or so. If they're starting to crisp up on the sides, move them around using a spatula so that they can crisp up evenly. Add a squeeze of lime juice, a little bit of oil, add the chili powder blend and mix really well. Now we're gonna make our whipped tofu. Add your tofu into the food processor. You can use silken tofu or firm tofu. If you want it to be a more thicker kind of cream, use firm tofu. If you want it more whipped and light, use silken tofu. Add in all of that roasted garlic and then process all of that until it is smooth and creamy. Now we have all of our components ready. Chop up some onions, cilantro, tomatoes, chop up some avocado if you have that. And now you can use these to make various different dishes. One format is you take a ton of that whipped tofu, spread it on a plate, top it with the roasted zucchini, then top it with those crispy lentils, some of the onion and tomato and cilantro, or you can use pico de gallo or a salsa of choice or some avocado and a good squeeze of lime and it's ready. Another way is to make some amazing tacos. Warm up the tortillas, add some lettuce or greens to the tacos, top with the roasted zucchini, the crispy lentils, the cilantro, onion, a good squeeze of lime juice, a good helping of the creamy whipped tofu. Whatever else you want to add to the tacos, because tacos are tacos, they're supposed to be messy, they're supposed to be overflowing and amazingly delicious. So make those however you want them. You can also put these in a burrito with some rice and beans. You can also make nachos, top it with the roasted zucchini, some black beans, these crispy lentils, and a good drizzle of this creamy chipotle whipped tofu. Add some pickled jalapeno, pico de gallo, avocado, or sour cream, or all of the above, and make a fabulous spread of nachos. This has tons of protein and tons of fiber. There's about 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving, depending on what you serve it with. You can add even more protein by sprinkling some hemp seeds on top or adding some nutritional yeast into the whipped tofu. It is absolutely hearty and satisfying and delicious. There's tons of fiber from the roasted zucchini and the lentils. You can add in more fiber by adding some black beans or more vegetables to roast along with the zucchini, or pair it with some multigrain tortillas. What was your favorite part of this recipe? Do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.